Would you be my girlfriend?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about my updated skincare routine. So if you haven't seen my video, I think I made it about a year ago, please check it out. I definitely put a link in the description below. And basically I was talking about all of the products that I use and all the things that I do to, keep my skin clear. But I have a few changes. There's several things that changed from that video. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about that right now. But before we get to this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go. So if you want to maintain clear skin, you must make sure that you're removing any impurities from your face, and that includes makeup. So if I do have on makeup, I make sure that I take off my makeup with my Micellar cleansing wipes. I also use the cleansing water. So first I wipe my face and I just make sure I, take off any makeup that I have, and then I'll use the cleansing water and I'll, just make sure I take off the last pieces of makeup that's just left on my face. I have been using these products for several years now. I think probably like 3 years now, and they do the job. Like, it's not harsh, it doesn't make my skin irritated, because a lot of people complain that your makeup remover wipes has a lot of chemicals, and I definitely understand that. So if you're the person that has sensitive skin, me, I'm always talking about organic products. So definitely do your research. If you want something that's 100% organic, do your research. I'm pretty sure there's many different, makeup remover wipes out there, but I use the simple, wipes with the cleansing water, and it just really does the trick. Try to stay away from spin brushes or brushing pads on your face. Your face is so sensitive and fragile. It's really not the same as your skin. So please, don't over exfoliate. I stopped using spin brushes and all these harsh little pads and things like that, because I noticed that it makes my pores look larger, and I honestly feels like it's just breaking down the really, really good collagen that you need for anti-aging. So I highly would not recommend spin brushes. I know a lot of people do that, but there's other ways to exfoliate your face, and that leads me to my next tip: masks. Masks are so important if you want to remove the dense skin cells and just reveal glowy skin. I have 2 masks that I've been using for quite some time now, and yeah, it really helps. I use turmeric and milk, and sometimes if I do have extra dark spots from acne, I put a little bit of lemon. You can use essential oil or just your regular lemon, and yeah, I just put it on my face, wait for 15 minutes, wash it off. I also use the rice flour and milk mask. So like I said, I just use rice flour and milk, and I mix it up and I put on my face, wait for 15 minutes again, and wash it off. So if you guys want to see these masks that I use, let me know in the comments below, because I don't believe in using all these store-bought masks. I feel like they just don't help. I've tried so many and they don't do the trick. DIY masks are the best. So please let me know down below if you want me to show you how to make it. So now let's talk about facial cleansers. So after I mask, I use my favorite facial cleanser, which is my Shea Moisture Gel Cleanser. I love it. It has so many lovely ingredients in it, like papaya, yucca lemon. Oh my god, I've noticed so much of a difference. It really does what it says. It brightens your face, it evens your complexion, it really gently exfoliates your face, because it does have a little bit of beads in it, but it's nothing harsh at all. Yeah, I love it so much. I've noticed that I don't have any acne when I use it, so I highly recommend using the Shea Moisture Gel Cleanser. So once I get out of the shower, I spray my face with Rosewater and Glycerin. I absolutely love this. I've been using this for about a year now, and I just feel like it's really moisturizing. This is also a product that does what it says. It really moisturizes your face, and it also helps to just combat those environmental aggressors. So I highly recommend, even just throughout the day, like if you feel like your face is getting dry or it feels maybe not so clean, you can just spray your face with this Rosewater spray, and it's really amazing. I love this particular line because it has like a small travel size, and it has just rose water, you know, that's it. And then it has rose water and glycerin. So I like to use the rose water and glycerin because glycerin has ultra moisturizing effects. So I highly recommend getting the mixture, but if you want to just get rose water, that's fine too. So yeah, you can just like pop it in your bag and, you know, spray in your face throughout the day, but I highly recommend it. So last but not least, moisturizers. Moisturizer is so important. It's the last step and you must do it. You can't skip it because you have to use all these products, and you know, you spray your face, you know, you got all that good moisture, and you want to lock and seal it and have your face moisturized throughout the day. So there's so many moisturizers out there. There's anti-aging, there's one for dry skin, sensitive skin, normal, oily, like there's so many moisturizers out there. And I've tried so many brands, but just like the mask, I find that moisturizer brands didn't really do much for me. So I made a DIY moisturizer. It has cocoa butter and shea butter in it. It's very whipped, it's creamy, it's so lovely. And one thing I like about DIY moisturizers is you can add anything that you need. So if you, let's say if you're having acne issues, you could put tea tree oil because tea tree oil helps with acne. You can, you know, add rosemary essential oil or lavender for good smell to balance your skin. I just love that you can just customize your DIY moisturizer to your liking and also to your skin needs. So if you guys want to see a video on that, also put it in the comments below. Like, let me know if you want me to show you how to make a DIY moisturizer. No matter what products you use, consistency is key if you really want to have glowy, youthful, and vibrant skin. You can't expect overnight results. You also can't expect within like 2 to 3 weeks things are gonna change. No, you're gonna have to like really be consistent for like a month, 2 months to really see change in your skin. But trust me, it is going to be all worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Girl, you should be